right here in the heart of the Freedom Grounds, and today I'm going to show you how to party and turn it into a movie. Welcome to my life. This is Texas Freedom Grounds, and we're not celebrating the 4th of July this weekend. We're celebrating the idea of independence because we don't have it right now, but we're going to work towards it. We started this party last night. People sleeping in their car. We are headed north on 513 here in the Texas Freedom Grounds, and we're gonna go get some food, check on Joey, he's a jailbird, and enjoy the scenic route. What do you ladies think?
Yay, ha!
The pilot is ready. All right. I just passed the 6-minute mark. 12 minutes, Joey. It's still ringing. You're not answering the phone. Alright, so we were just grabbing some things at Whataburger, quick snack, and we found out after being on, I guess, hold, transfer, 14 minutes and waiting on to get word what's going on with Joey, we found out that the judge ain't even there yet, and he might not be down there for a couple hours, so we gotta wait longer. And I guess we're gonna go back to the Freedom Grounds for now. What are you getting?
Some Shiner.
Might turn around. You might turn around.
I'm glad you guys made it.
They make fun of me. I love it. What's up, beer? Alright. Fresh, organic, homegrown kale. We're about to add to our Freedom Grounds party here. Let's take it inside. Shit there. Get that door for me. Get that door for me. Head it to the refrigerator. Head it to the refrigerator.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Very, very cool.
We're on our way to Andre's house to check out what he's got going on, preparing for supper, and to crash his party over here. So he's been preparing some different items for dinner tonight, and we're gonna go see what it is. Hey, I'm home.
I got a gun.
You got a gun?
Yeah.
So do I. Look. Mine's bigger than yours.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man? How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Cooking. How y'all doing?
Good, good. Good to see you, man.
You too, dude. Yeah. First one here, huh?
Came down here and looked at him. Did you know that?
Hey, how's it
What's
going?
up, man?
Hey, good to see you.
Doing alright?
Yeah.
What's up, my man?
What's happening?
Doing alright?
Good,
Good to see you.
Hey, what's up, man?
Are you done?
Hold it for ready for a beer.
Hey, we got plenty of that. All right, y'all, we've been out here. Looks like we got a full crowd now. Bunch of people here. I'm trying to coordinate on how to go get Joey. We just got word that he got a PR bond, and so we're gonna go pick him up and get him back here. So I had to change shirts. I was trying to make margaritas. The damn thing exploded on me. Had to switch up them t-shirts, you know, anti-establishment.com, always for the t-shirts. What's going on?
Oh, we just had a late start.
Hey, no worries. Get settled in. I gotta go get a friend and then bring him back this way. But we got food, drinks, all kinds of good things.
At the end of the day, they're asking for money. I got a problem.
Hey, Joey!
Hey, I'm free, guys.
Celebrate Independence Day,
Yeah, we are. We're doing this the right way, huh? What's going on Facebook?
Hey,
You have no transportation.
I'm on your way.
You have to like start somewhere. I don't get it.
So when you guys pulled up to the Sally Port, and I was kind of like in the bushes, but on the sidewalk.
Oh, he did not like that at all.
He's non-violent, man. He's a great guy. Don't take him to jail, brother. He didn't do anything wrong. He's on his way to work to earn a living, man, and then you steal his vehicle and you kidnap him. Is that the country we want to live in, man? Kidnapped hardworking American people on his way to work. On his way to work, and you kidnapped him. Shame on you. What did he say about that?
He said, you know what, I was going to be nice to you and try to figure out some of this insurance ticket, but if I wasn't going to let you give a free phone call if you were going to have someone come up here and antagonize me like that.
You didn't have somebody come up there. I voluntarily did that.
Exactly. I was like, I didn't have him do anything. I had him on speaker, which you were listening to the entire time, and I just told him my situation. I was like, he did that on his own free will.
I was in a meeting in the building next door.
It's so awesome.
I've never met anybody like you. I fucking hate you, but I love you.
What you doing, Heather?
I'm making up some salmon. It's the famous
Oh, yummy.
salmon. Yeah, it's gonna have mayonnaise. We've got lemon underneath, which is yummy. Then we're gonna spread mayonnaise on top, and we're gonna do the chopped onions on top of that, and we're gonna wrap it up and throw it on the barbecue.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
And so you're out here celebrating the 4th of July, or?
I am out here celebrating freedom.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah, so
Very nice.
I think, you know, I want to get together and celebrate and, you know, Andre's new home.
Absolutely.
So we gotta come bless this house, right?
Absolutely.
And it's just a great excuse to come out and party.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. What are you celebrating this weekend?
I'm celebrating freedom. I'm celebrating freedom as an individual, not as a citizen of this place that they, these border walls they call the United States that apparently make me a slave to these masters, but you know.
So what do you think about
I'm
this?
my own master.
What do you think about the whole idea of like Texas Freedom Grounds and us out here celebrating freedom and independence this weekend?
I love it. I hope we'll come down and join soon. I'm already making my my plans, and as soon as I get my ducks in a row, I'm gonna be here.
All right. What are you celebrating this weekend?
Texas Freedom Grounds.
Okay.
My own independence.
So what do you think about the idea of Texas Freedom Grounds and like what we're doing out here?
I think it's, in a sense, it's revolutionary because it's not like some David Koresh, you know, compound thing. We're all just freedom-loving people migrating to an area that is, you know, low-key and small, and it's very nice, and we're just building up the community kind of from the inside out. And you have your own plot of land, I have mine, Kenny has his, and we're all doing our own projects off of it. and you know, it's fantastic. The Texas Freedom Ground is one of the best ideas I've ever come across, and I'm just glad I'm able to be a part of it.
Let me see that t-shirt.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Where do you get those t-shirts?
Oh, from me, man. Antiestablishment.com, baby.
But
Wake up.
I'm celebrating, hanging out with friends and family, and I love the idea. I want to move out here myself.
okay,
So
cool.
I'm really looking forward to it, hopefully eventually.
Hey, I'm right here in Texas Freedom Grounds. I got a drone. In the background, we're checking out Ryan's garden.
See up in the distance, we got a little bit of the drone action.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hey, so we're out here in the Texas Freedom Grounds at Ryan's house, and we just got done doing a tour of his garden, and we just got done doing some audio and video with don'tcomply.com, and now we're gonna head back down to my place and Andre's place, and continue the rest of this party.
Things are not like visual. Does that work?
I'll get behind it.
I'm not okay.
Do it.
You can block that, Matt.
Get him here!
Shit. That was it. That was it. That was it. That was it. That was it.
Here it comes.
Oh, great footage. party in the Freedom Grounds.
About it.
Who's Corey Sanders?
He's the myth and he's the legend.
He's legendary.
Who is Corey Sanders?
Just waking up after that party. There's tents, chairs, bodies.